Came home from work, just a normal day. Sat down, started eating a sandwich, and took a bite of a sandwich, and then I coughed up bright red blood. And the next thing I know, I'm waking up in the ICU. Looked off to the left, and there was somebody standing there. I said, please don't let me die. And it was in the middle of that. Then I was at the top of my ceiling. I saw everything. I could 360-degree vision. I could see my body laying on the bed, and just the love that I experienced. I was in constant, this light, the most magnificent light, and the love that was bestowed upon me instantly. I had a profound near-death experience on April 2nd of 2020, which profoundly changed my life.